This house was built for humans, and everybody here human, right?
Some of y'all don't understand trading because you just gotta watch one more video in the academy. You just gotta watch one more video in the academy. You like, nah, I don't watch the 100 series. The 100 series?
Yeah, I'm here to tell you about Forex, you dig? So the way, like, look how I'm living, you know what I'm saying? Look how, yeah, no, we leave tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Hey, so look how I'm living, you dig? Yeah, we check out tomorrow. Yeah, I'm living. You understand? Like, can't nobody do it like me, you know what I'm saying? Because this is Forex, it's like, it's what y'all not understanding. I'm trying to put you on the game. Like, y'all out here, you know what I'm saying? You trying to invest in real estate? Actually know where your money is going in real time? Psh, come on, man. Forex. You can go from like driving a Toyota, like to a Honda. Like, y'all bugging. My next vid, I'm about to drop 4 videos. 4 videos where I go into deep